Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into Google and making sure Sync is active on your device. This lets saved images flow into cloud storage. Once signed in, search for images and immediately apply tools right arrow usage rights so you avoid copyright problems. After you find a usable image, open it fully and use the browser or app menu to download or save image. Doing this places files in your device storage or directly into Google Photos, which is the bridge to your gallery. Once images are saved, you organize them before they hit your gallery. Open Google Photos or your file manager and bulk select the images to move them into one album or folder. Create a new album with a clear name, add the photos, and reorder them so they display correctly. You can also set sharing and privacy options now. If you download it on desktop, upload the folder to Google Photos and let it sync. If on Android and the gallery app reads dsim/camera, move files there so the gallery indexes them. To finish, open your gallery app and refresh or reboot the device so the new album appears. Once visible, set an album cover and adjust order for presentation. Make sure Google Photos sync completed if you used Cloud Upload. If you plan to share, confirm album visibility or create a shared link. If something goes wrong, check file formats, storage permissions, and disable battery saver or background restrictions that block sync. These are the most common causes for images not appearing in your gallery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.